Welcome to in front of me OPPO A53s, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration section. Now just here you'll see the silent mode switcher. Just to turn on the silent mode on your device, here tap once on the switcher near the silent mode, and that's it. And if you want to turn it off, just tap here again on the switcher, and as can you see, our calls and notifications just are enabled. And by this way you can change the silent mode settings. And if you want to do it by the second way, you can just press to one from your bottom buttons and here tap once on the bell icon. And now by this way, as can you see, you can enable or disable your silent mode. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.